Welcome. If Snapchat keeps sending you new friend suggestions notifications that you don't really care about, you're not alone. These alerts can quickly become distracting, especially when you're trying to keep your notifications clean and relevant. The good news is that you can easily turn them off in just a few steps using your phone's settings. First, go to your phone's main settings. This is where all your device-level controls are located, including how apps behave and send notifications. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find the Apps section and tap on it. Depending on your device, this might also be labeled as Apps and Notifications or something similar. Next, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the list and tap on Snapchat. This will open the app-specific settings where you can control permissions, storage, and notifications. Now tap on Notifications. This section lets you manage exactly what kind of alerts Snapchat is allowed to send you. Instead of turning everything off, you can fine-tune specific notification types. Look for an option called Notification Categories and tap on it. This is where Snapchat organizes different types of alerts, like messages, stories, and friend-related suggestions. Find new friend suggestions in the list. Once you see it, simply toggle it off. That's it. You've successfully disabled those suggestions without affecting your other important Snapchat notifications. From now on, you'll only receive the alerts that actually matter to you, making your notification bar a lot less cluttered and more useful. If you found this helpful, consider checking your other notification settings as well. A quick cleanup can make a big difference in how you use your phone every day.